Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about the hatching process and how nuggets are made. The eggs are collected daily from the farms before transported to a hatchery, where they're incubated for 19 days. A setter constantly turns the eggs to keep them warm and provides a simulation similar to a mother hen sitting on top of them. At the 19-day mark, the eggs are vaccinated and transferred to hatch baskets, where they'll hatch within 2 days. Once hatched, the chicks are separated from the eggshells and transferred to chicken farms until market age, about 40 to 45 days. The barns are kept at 28 to 32 degrees Celsius, and the chickens roam around on the shavings. They always have access to feed and water, and are free to roam within the barn. more chickens can be in the barn than 31 kilos per square meter. Farm managers and their staff visit the barn throughout the day. The chickens in these barns are just meat birds, broiler chickens. The broiler chickens are kept in barns to ensure food safety. If these meat birds were outside, they'd be more susceptible to disease. Advances in feed for the birds means that currently 2 pounds of grain-fed chickens will produce 1 pound of chicken meat. The feed is 88% grain, 10% protein, and 1 to 2% vitamin supplements. Transport chickens to the processing place. The live birds are put into crates, and the birds must be able to move comfortably. From live chickens to dispatched chickens. Deboning the chickens by hand. The making of nuggets. The white breast meat, along with the chicken stock and a natural proportion of skin from the breast, is placed into a huge blender. The meat is then mixed and chilled using CO2. Nuggets are formed, not ground. From here, they're par-fried. They're then inspected and packaged and ready to be sent off to the restaurants.